In a small town, there lived a boy named Sam. Sam was smart and confident. People said he was very clever. But Sam had a bad habit. He liked to laugh at other people. When someone made a mistake, he laughed. When someone spoke slowly, he laughed. When someone fell or dropped something, he laughed loudly. Many children did not like this. They felt sad or embarrassed when Sam laughed at them. One morning, Sam was walking to school. The sun was shining, and the streets were quiet. He saw an old man carrying a heavy bag. The bag was full of apples. The old man walked slowly. His steps were careful. Suddenly, the bag slipped from his hands. Apples rolled everywhere on the road. Sam saw this and started laughing loudly. The old man looked at Sam quietly. He did not get angry. Some kind people helped the old man pick up the apples. Sam walked away, still laughing. The next day at school, something new happened. A new student joined the class. His name was Daniel. Daniel was shy. He spoke softly and moved slowly. The teacher asked Daniel to read from a book. Daniel tried his best, but he made many mistakes. His voice shook, and he looked nervous. Sam laughed at Daniel again. Some children felt uncomfortable. Daniel's face turned red. He sat down slowly and felt very sad. The teacher told Sam that everyone learns at their own speed. Sam did not understand. He only smiled and shrugged. A few days later, the school organized sports day. The playground was full of colorful flags. Students were excited. There were running races, jumping games, and ball games. Sam loved running. He believed he would win the race easily. Many students gathered at the track. Sam stood confidently at the starting line. Next to him was Daniel, who looked nervous. Sam laughed at Daniel again. The race began. All the boys ran as fast as they could. Sam ran very quickly and felt sure of himself. But suddenly, he stepped on a small stone. His foot slipped. He fell hard onto the ground. Dust covered his clothes, and his knee hurt. The other runners passed him. Some children stopped and looked. Sam tried to stand up, but his leg hurt. He felt embarrassed for the first time. Then something surprising happened. Daniel stopped running. He turned around and ran back to Sam. Daniel helped Sam stand up. He put Sam's arm on his shoulder. They walked slowly to the side of the field. The teacher ran over and checked Sam's knee. It was only a small injury. Sam looked at Daniel. Daniel had given up the race to help him. Sam felt ashamed. He realized how unkind he had been. For the first time, he understood what it felt like to be laughed at. Later that day, Sam sat alone under a tree. He thought about the old man and the apples. He thought about Daniel reading in class. He remembered all the times he had laughed at people. He realized that laughing at others can hurt them deeply. The next morning, Sam arrived at school early. He waited for Daniel near the classroom. When Daniel came, Sam walked toward him. He apologized for laughing at him before. Daniel accepted the apology kindly. Sam felt relieved and grateful. From that day, Sam began to change. He did not laugh at mistakes anymore. He helped people when they needed it. He encouraged students who struggled in class. He even helped pick up books or bags that were dropped. Slowly, children started to like Sam again. They saw that he had truly changed. One afternoon, the teacher spoke to the class about kindness. She explained that true strength is not found in laughing at others. True strength is shown when we help and support people. Sam listened carefully. He knew she was right. He remembered an important lesson. It is easy to laugh at people. It is much better to understand them. Kindness always makes the world a better place.